folks, I want to introduce to you this really great web conferencing tool. It's called Zoom. It gives you a limited amount of conferences that you can have for free, but plenty enough for you to use the tool in your classroom. Once you launch Zoom, and this is on my computer, there is also an app that goes along with it too that you can use on your iPad or any of your iOS devices or Android devices. So I'm going to introduce you to the one on the computer. So I've launched Zoom, I logged in, and I created an account using my CCPS email address and a password of my own creation. And here's the 4 different options that you have once you launch it, and I'm in the home menu. You can screen share meeting, video meeting, schedule a meeting, or join a meeting. So it's nice that you can schedule meetings and then people can join you at that scheduled time. You can send out invitations. First thing I want to show you though is I'm going to go to meetings, and you'll notice that I have a PMI, which is my personal meeting ID. And if I select always use PMI for instant meetings on this computer, anytime I want to start a meeting, it's always going to give me that ID number. If I go back to home and I want to join a meeting, I would just type in the meeting ID. So with that said, the best thing about this is you have a preset meeting ID that you can send out with directions. So anytime you want to have a web conference using Zoom, all that person has to do is go into join a meeting and type in the meeting ID information. You can record the meetings, and you go to recorded and it will give you the list of the recorded files. There's some features that will not be available because this is a free program. There are some really great opportunities for you to use this tool as a web conferencing device in your classroom. Howdy folks, here's Zoom on your iPad. If you select the app, it's going to launch you to the screen here. I want you to look over to where it says settings on the left. On the bottom, and where it says use PMI for instant meetings, this is the same setting we used on the computer. And what's nice about this is anytime I want to set a meeting, it will automatically use, this is my default number. Where it says allow join before host, I'm going to select that also, so I can keep this meeting no matter who comes in first. Everyone will be able to join, and they can wait until the host arrives and or any of the other participants. It does take a while for your meetings to load. So now I'm going to go out to where it says meetings, and I'm going to start one, and I should see my PMI or my personal meeting ID. And there it is. Now it says call using internet audio or call using phone. You have an option. I'm going to keep it as internet audio, which means the audio or what I hear is going to come through the device that I have on. If I lose the menu, if you just tap on the screen, you'll see the menu reappears. I'm going to hit video. So I'm going to use the front camera, and we're zooming. I'm going to end meeting, and that's it.